Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we will be discussing the concept of a unique value proposition, UVP, and its importance in content marketing. You know how important it is to stand out in today's crowded marketplace. But how do you make sure that your business catches the attention of potential customers? It all starts with the unique value proposition, or UVP for short. A UVP is a clear and compelling statement that explains how your business is different from competitors and why customers should choose your business over others. By crafting a strong UVP, you'll be able to communicate your business's unique strengths and benefits to potential customers in a way that resonates with them. In today's competitive business environment, a unique value proposition, UVP, is a crucial aspect of any successful business strategy. It communicates the benefits that a product or service offers to its target audience, differentiating it from similar offerings in the market. A strong UVP can play a critical role in attracting and retaining customers, building brand loyalty, and establishing a company's competitive advantage. A unique value proposition, or UVP, is not just important for standing out from your competitors. It also plays a crucial role in guiding potential customers through their journey with your business. Let's take a closer look at how UVP fits into the different stages of the customer journey. In the awareness stage, your UVP helps attract potential customers to your business and build brand awareness. In the consideration stage, your UVP helps potential customers learn more about your products or services and consider whether they are a good fit for their needs. In the decision stage, your UVP helps potential customers make a purchase or take a specific action. By having a clear and compelling UVP at each stage of the customer journey, you can guide potential customers toward taking the actions that you want them to take, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or taking some other action. Now that we know the importance of having a unique value proposition, let's take a look at how to identify your own UVP in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Identify your target audience. Step 2. Know your competitors. Step 3. Identify your unique features and benefits. Step 4. Create a compelling message. Step 5. Test and refine your UVP. The first step in developing a strong UVP is to identify your target audience. The UVP should resonate with the needs, wants, and aspirations of your target audience. For example, if you are selling a healthy snack, your target audience might be health-conscious individuals who are looking for convenient and nutritious options. Understanding the target audience helps to ensure that the UVP addresses the most pressing issues faced by your customers and provides them with a compelling reason to choose your product or service. Next, it is important to understand your competition and what they are offering. Analyze the market and identify the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors. This will help you differentiate your product or service and determine what sets you apart from others in the market. For example, if you are selling healthy snacks, you might analyze the market and identify that your competition is offering snacks that are high in sugar or preservatives. Knowing this information can help you highlight your unique selling point, such as the fact that your snacks are made with all natural ingredients and are free from preservatives. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience and competition, you can identify the unique features and benefits that your product or service offers. Focus on the aspects that provide the most value to your customers, such as quality, speed, convenience, or affordability. For example, if you are selling healthy snacks, your unique features might include high fiber content, all natural ingredients, and convenient packaging. These features should provide the most value to your target audience and should be highlighted in your unique selling points. Make sure that your UVP accurately reflects these unique features and benefits. Now that you have identified your target audience, competition, and unique features and benefits, It's time to create a compelling message that accurately represents the value that your product or service offers. For example, if you are selling healthy snacks, your message might be something like enjoy the convenience of a healthy snack on the go with all natural ingredients and high fiber content. The message should be clear and concise and communicate the benefits of your product or service in a way that resonates with your target audience. Ensure that your UVP is memorable and easy to understand. Finally, it is important to test and refine your unique selling points. Gather feedback from your target audience, employees, and other stakeholders. Use this feedback to improve your unique selling points and make sure they accurately represent the value that your product or service offers. For example, you might receive feedback from your target audience that they prefer snack options that are low in sugar. Based on this feedback, you can refine your unique selling points to highlight the low sugar content of your snacks. Examples of UVP. Now that you understand what a UVP is and how to identify your UVP, let's look at some examples of UVP in different industries: fast food restaurants, fast, fresh, and affordable meals that are perfect for busy families on the go. Online clothing store, trendy and stylish clothing at affordable prices with free shipping on all orders. Software company, easy-to-use software that helps businesses streamline their operations and increase efficiency. As you can see, these examples of UVP clearly and concisely communicate the unique benefits and value that these businesses offer to customers. They are relevant and compelling to their target audience and differentiate these businesses from competitors. Now that we've gone over how to identify your UVP, let's dive into some tips for developing a strong UVP. Tip number 1, clear and concise. Tip number 2, relevant and compelling. Tip number 3, test and refine. First tip, clear and concise. Your UVP should be straightforward and easy to understand. Avoid using complex language or technical terms and focus on communicating the unique benefits and value your business provides to customers. Make sure it is short and to the point, capturing the essence of your brand and its offerings. Next tip, relevant and compelling. Your UVP must be relevant and engaging to your target audience. It should address their needs, wants, and pain points and clearly communicate the unique value that your business provides. Your UVP should be compelling enough to capture their attention and make them interested in learning more about your brand. Final tip, test and refine. Your UVP is not set in stone and may need to be adjusted over time. Conduct research with your target audience to understand how well your UVP resonates with them. Use this feedback to refine and improve your UVP, ensuring it accurately represents the value your business provides to customers. A unique value proposition, UVP is a clear and compelling statement that explains how your business is different from competitors and why customers should choose your business over others. It is a key element of your content marketing strategy and helps you stand out from competitors and attract potential customers. By understanding your target audience, identifying your unique selling points, and developing a clear and compelling UVP, you can create a successful content marketing strategy that drives profitable customer action. Thank you for joining me in this lecture on identifying your unique value proposition. In the next lecture, we will be discussing how to conduct a content audit and gap analysis as part of your content marketing strategy.